Namaste everyone. In today's video I will be showing you 3 kinds of backdrop in one DIY. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So this will be the template I will be using for all the backdrops I am showing today. Take any white paper and draw a line of 14.5 cm vertically. Measure the center and draw 12.5 cm horizontally. Again measure 4.5 cm from the top and bottom and draw a thin horizontal line on top and bottom. Now start drawing the design in such a way that from all the 4 sides it should align at these 2 thin lines as shown in the video. Now again measure a distance of 3.5 cm from the top and bottom and start drawing the same design from inside. Measure 2 cm distance from both right and left sides horizontally and complete the design. So the idea is horizontally it should be broader and vertically it should be little thinner. Now let's cut the outer part of the design using paper cutter. We are using outer part as our template for this DIY. For now, we don't use the inner part of the design. So this is our template. Now our template is ready. Using this template I am drawing designs on this self-adhesive vinyl paper and then I am going to cut them. This is after cutting designs from the vinyl paper. I got these center pieces as well, which I will be using later in this video. So I request you please watch the video until the end. After cutting out all designs from the vinyl paper, the leftover vinyl paper looks like this. I will be saving this and use this for the centerpiece, which I will be showing you again later in this video. So make sure you watch the video until the end. I have cut totally 30 designs out of vinyl paper. Now I am sticking these designs onto the poster board and again I will be cutting out from the poster board. The reason for doing this is to give the support for the vinyl paper. As I am making toran out of it, toran will be sturdy and strong. Also, I wanted mainly the white part in the center for this design. To make a toran, I am attaching these designs together with the help of woolen yarn by sticking it to the back side using glue gun as shown in the video. I have used 10 pieces of these designs to make a toran for the backdrop. I have left extra yarn at both the ends to hang it to the push pins by creating a loop and tying knots. Now I am decorating the toran with mirrors at the center. I am placing small and big mirrors alternatively. I made these decorative bunches with the beads available from Dollar Tree. I will be sticking these to the toran at the bottom as shown in the video. I am using masking tape to stick it, as masking tape is easy to remove if you want without any damage or very less damage to the surface. Now our toran is all ready. If you don't have any beads or if you don't have enough time to make these bunches, you can use these ready-made beaded chains from Dollar Tree or from Amazon and make a bunch out of it as shown in the video. I will try to give link for these kinds of beaded chains in the description box. Now let's see how I have decorated the backdrop. I am using just push pins to hang the white curtain here. This yellow and orange marigold garland is from Amazon. This is DIY hangings made of beads and crystal stones. I will be uploading the video on how to make it in my channel in the future. This is also handmade garland using a crepe steamer. Let me know in the comment section if you wish to watch this DIY video. Now I am hanging the toran at the top. I had this DIY Ganapati wall frame made of paper plate. I added this for Ganapati festival at my house. Here I have used one more plate and sticked two plates at their bottom using glue gun. And with the help of safety pin and thread, I have hanged it to the curtain. The reason for using two plates for this backdrop is I wanted to hang a DIY garland to this Ganapati frame, which was not possible with only one plate. Using two plates made it easier. This is the design number 1. You can stop here if you want. Let me show you how I have further decorated it with. Now with the remaining 20 cut designs I am making hangings to the toran. To attach these cut designs together, I am using the beaded chain from Dollar Tree. I have cut this chain by counting the number of beads. For the first one, I have cut 8 beads from the chain. This will be sticked and hanged to the toran. I will be showing you how to stick this to the toran. For the remaining pieces, I cut 13 beads for each piece, and I am sticking to these pieces using glue gun as shown in the video. At the end, I am sticking this beaded bunch to make it more attractive. Again, I have decorated it with small and big mirrors alternatively. Now the hangings are ready. Let me show you how I stick these to the toran. If you stick these beads directly to the toran, there are chances that it falls. So I am tying it with woolen yarn, and then I am going to stick this yarn to the toran using sellotape as shown here in the video. I tried using masking tape here as well, but it couldn't hold the weight and it kept falling. So I decided to use sellotape to stick this. Luckily it didn't fall even once after using sellotape. This is how it looks after sticking all the hangings to the toran. Now let's do the centerpiece. First measure 35 cm vertically and draw a line, and then mark a center and measure 29 cm and draw a line horizontally. Now just like I showed you for the smaller design, here measure 6.5 cm from the top and bottom and draw a thin line and start drawing the design. in such a way that from all the four sides it should touch these two thin lines. Now measure 3 cm from the top and bottom and start drawing the inner design. And then measure 4 cm from both right and left sides and complete the design. Make sure all the lines you draw are equal from all the four sides. I didn't use any template to draw this centerpiece. I directly drew on the vinyl paper and cut it out. Now again I am sticking this on the poster board and cutting it out of it. Here I am using 3 decorative bunches made of beads and sticking them as shown in the video. Again here I am using masking tape to stick these bunches. Now I am decorating it with a big diamond mirror in the center and few small mirrors around it. Now again I am using the same technique. I am sticking the woolen yarn to this centerpiece at the top using glue gun, and with the help of safety pin I will attach this to the curtain. This is the design number 2. Isn't it looking very beautiful? Now for the third backdrop design, as I said earlier, after cutting out the designs for the toran from the vinyl paper, the leftover vinyl paper looks something like this. As this vinyl paper is self-adhesive, I am sticking it as it is on the poster board. But this time I am not going to cut anything out of the poster board. Also, now I am using these centerpieces which I got when I was cutting the designs for toran. Now I am sticking these to the center like this as shown in the video. This poster board was short for the complete design I had, so I cut extra board from another poster board and sticked it to this using glue gun. At last, I decorated it with mirrors. For smaller designs, I added small mirrors, and for the bigger designs, I added little bigger mirrors. Now another centerpiece is ready. This is completely optional. You can do whatever is comfortable for you. I just wanted to do this, so I did it. To give this centerpiece a support and make it sturdy, I stick this centerpiece onto the foam board. Now let's see how I have decorated using this centerpiece. First, I am using 2 tables and covering it with table cover. Now I am folding this table cover at both the sides and sticking it to the table using sellotape so that it looks very neat. To the front, I decorated the table with the beaded chain from the Dollar Tree and added self-adhesive small blue flowers at the junction, again from Dollar Tree. I placed the centerpiece on the table. Now I am decorating it using lotus asanas for Gauri and Ganpati and lotus candle stands on each sides and one in the middle. Please check the description box for the link on how to make these DIYs. So this is the backdrop design number 3. Isn't it looking too pretty? I am totally in love with it. I hope you too enjoyed this video. Please share your thoughts in the comment section. I always love to read them. Stay tuned for more backdrop videos. See you in the next video. Until then, happy organizing, happy decorating.